2 of Assignment 7 poses the question, how can mindfulness change the culture of an organization? It may help prioritize better. Research conducted by Stanford University found that the brain is not capable of handling more than one task simultaneously. What does that mean? That means multitasking is not truly effective. Therefore, mindfulness can assist you in seeing the big picture and allows you to key in on those things that should take priority. Mindfulness may also increase brain health. The University of British Columbia found that the practice of mindfulness could potentially increase brain health in two areas, the anterior cingulate cortex and the hippocampus. The anterior cingulate cortex is responsible for self-control and distraction and impulsiveness. The hippocampus assists in overcoming setbacks and challenges. So what does that mean for a company? That means you could potentially decrease the risk of a hostile work environment and develop a team that refuses to let failure keep them from accomplishing the goal or mission. Mindfulness could also boost working memory. Research suggests from the American Psychological Association that participants taking an 8-week course in mindfulness training had the reduction of accidents, injuries, and or work-related lawsuits because employees have a better recall of training and practice procedures. It can also help to reduce stress. Again, the American Psychological Association conducted a survey and stated that 60% of working individuals state that their jobs are a major source of stress. Mindfulness may reduce the risk of health factors associated with stress, such as hypertension and cardiovascular disease. So what does this mean for the company? That means that employees who practice mindfulness may have a potential reduction in missing days for work because of sick leave. Mindfulness can be a great team building exercise. It provides a great bonding experience which translates into better relationships and boosting workforce morale.